Hey, Brendan and Owen. I'm not sure, but I think Santa ran out of room over here. So I think he had to use the office. You might want to check in the office too. And over here. You might want to check it out.
You should go with Owen and go check that out. Go in the office real fast. Owen needs your house.
Hey, Brendan, you want to check the office?
Oh my gosh! And what is that?
How do they carry that thing in? Big go-kart.
Oh, and that's like a worker truck. How cool is that?
Maybe the other one could be for eating.
Maybe.
Yeah, the old one, right?
I don't know.
How
My
cool
yard
is that?
right there.
What's that?
My orange right there.
Crazy.